All right, tweens, teens, and moms of both, we have a product especially for you guys. This is a way to kind of approach that conversation before the period starts. You know, I remember when I first got my period, I had the talk with my mom. I knew what to expect, but when that first happened, I was terrified. Like, it's a scary thing. So this is really gonna help maybe make it not so scary. Boo, do you want to be my assistant?
Absolutely. I'll be your Vanna.
All right, Vanna. Now, you get 3 pairs in the Fresh Start Period Kit. Is that what it's called? Yeah, Fresh Start Period Kit. And go ahead.
Here are sizing, which is just based on standard underwear sizing.
All right, so it has 3 different styles. They have bikini, brief, and shorty.
Shorty.
Okay, so I have to grab these ones first because I think they're so cute. Aren't those adorable? I know. And so these are the briefs.
One thing to point out is these are just a little bit thicker.
They
so
are, because I feel like when you
heavier
first
flow.
get your period, it's kind of wild, and like your body's still trying to regulate how it's going to be. Your periods are going to change a lot over the course of your life, but I feel like in the beginning, it's just kind of crazy and out of control. So these are definitely going to help you feel confident at school when you're facing that for the first time.
Or even if you're playing sports.
Yeah.
Or if you're having a sleepover.
Oh,
perfect.
the embarrassment.
I wish I would have had these.
Me too.
What's the next one?
These ones are my favorite. I actually have a pair very similar to these. I know you guys probably don't care, but these are the shorty ones. Can I just get a woot woot from all my girls that love the boy shorts? I don't know, do people still do that? Is my 90s showing?
I think so.
I think so too.
A little bit.
Okay, moving on.
So
and
you
then
get it's a 3-pack.
It's a
then.
3-pack, and
Okay.
then this is your bikini.
Oh.
I think these are pretty comfortable too. I really like them a lot.
Cotton.
Cotton, yes, absolutely. Breathable, lightweight, keeping you from any potential embarrassment.
Again, a perfect way to introduce a period product.
Yeah,
for
I know
teenagers.
it can be kind of embarrassing to I mean, I have teenagers, and the last thing they want to do is talk to their mom, let alone about something like this. So this will just kind of help you ease into that. You know, maybe get a cupcake too. I don't know, girls like cupcakes, right? So Boo, where do we get these awesome items?
Well, you need to stop by the store, Meyer Pharmacy,
Yep.
Waverly, Iowa. We have a section dedicated for these.
Absolutely.
And we are more than happy. We would actually love for you to come in, talk to us about the product, feel the product, look at the demo.
We love to talk. Come on in. We'll talk about ways to make your periods much more manageable.
Absolutely. Come see us.
At Meyer Pharmacy.